So, you're going skiing with the family? Well, for anything to do with sliding in the snow, you need to talk to my daughter because she's the family's winter sports champion. On the other hand, for tips about driving in the snow, I'm your man. So, tip number 1, drive carefully, because driving in the snow is all about going slowly and staying in control. When you start driving, accelerate gently. Change gear earlier than usual to avoid wheel spin. Accelerating abruptly, moving your steering wheel right and left like a madman and braking suddenly, which can make the car skid, these are big no-nos. They're like the embarrassing videos you've seen of my daughter teaching me how to ski. Erase them from your mind. Tip number 2. If you're going downhill, use engine braking to ensure you don't pick up too much speed. And in snow, even more than normal, maintain a safe distance to the next vehicle. You have to be extra careful on bends too. Don't forget when you're driving, slow down just before a curve, which is exactly what they should have told me when I started skiing. Tip number 3. Get yourself some winter tyres. They make driving safer when temperatures drop. They give you greater control than summer tyres, especially on snow. But one piece of advice, get the whole set of 4. Front and back tyres perform different roles, and you need both to work in tandem to ensure traction. Skeptical? Do you put a flip-flop on your left foot and a boot on your right when you're walking in the snow? And last but not least, when choosing your ski suit, don't go for the orange one with green polka dots, because photos last forever. And apparently good taste is rather subjective.